Very good job. Okay. Dobar dan, drago publiko. Today we had our first Sitz rehearsal of Ivica and Marica. It's an opera that I'm looking forward to in particular. It's one of my favorite pieces of the overall repertoire. And it has been a dream to put this on the repertoire in Marica because it hasn't been played here, and it is one of the most successful operas, and definitely probably the most successful operas that is not only for adults but for the whole family. So you could say it's a children's opera, but at the same time it's an opera for everyone because the music is so fantastic, it is so rich, so colorful, the storytelling is great, it is funny, it has many layers so that both children and adults can take many things from this piece, and we will have a wonderful staging and great orchestra, soloists, beautiful children's choir. So it's the full experience for you in the Christmas time. It is a Christmas piece, and I'm looking forward very much to it. Today was the Sitz rehearsal that comes from the German word sitzen, which means to sit, and that just means that it's the one rehearsal where everyone who makes music comes together, and we forget about the staging for one day. We don't do all the things that for you will be important to look at later, but we really focus solely on the music making, on how everything gets together in the musical sense. So the soloists have chairs and pult stands and scores, and everyone can focus just on how this piece works musically. So then later, the next step will be that we go all together on stage, orchestra in the pit, and the singers on the stage with the scenery and everything, and it will be much more complicated than just the music making because the singers will do it off copy, by heart, and you have these distances and everything, so there are so many more things. That's why it's so important what we did today, to have this one day where it's only about the music, and that was today. And next will be the orchestra staging rehearsals.